What's up YouTube? How's it going? It's Matt back with another video. I'm going to introduce a new truck to the channel today. It's a truck I've had for a couple months now. I just haven't gotten a chance to put it on the video yet. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera around and show you guys my new Dodge Dakota. Well, new to me. It's not really new. It's a 2009. Alright, there it is. It's a 2009 Dodge Dakota Crew Cab. 4-wheel drive. Flex fuel. So you can run E85 or just regular gas if you want. It's the Bighorn edition. Super clean. I got a pretty good price on it too. Out of all the newer Dodge Dakotas, this is the only front end that I actually like. The one right before this one's pretty ugly, but this is the last front end they ever did before they discontinued the Dakota. It's also got a V8, as you can see right there. V8 Magnum, 4.7 liters. It's got about 302 horsepower and I think 319 torque or something like that. Those numbers probably aren't accurate, but they're very close. And that's pretty good for a mid-sized truck to come with a V8 and have that kind of power. So that's another reason why I got it. I was going to get a brand new Silverado, and then after I seen how much this was, it's literally less than half the price. So that's why I ended up getting this. And I don't feel like I'm missing out on anything, except for it's a little bit smaller than a Silverado, but I love the truck. I actually really like driving it. I enjoy it. So another reason why I got this is this truck's actually kind of rare in a way. When I'm out driving around, I constantly see Tacomas, Silverados, F-150s, and I rarely see these, especially with this front end and you know the year it is and all that. You don't see them that much. I don't know if it's because they got discontinued and then they either just didn't sell that many, or I don't know what happened to all of them, but you don't see them that often. But I really enjoy this truck so far, and I'm going to have some mods coming really soon. I've already ordered a 3-inch front spacer for the front, and I got a 2-inch block for the back, and I got a differential drop also coming in the mail. That'll be because I'm putting the 3-inch spacer on the front, and I don't want to mess up the CV axles already. So hopefully the diff drop will help with that. So those are some mods that are coming really soon. So if you are new to the channel, subscribe and you'll get to see that once I do it, or once I get them in the mail. I'm going to install everything myself, and I will document all of that. Another thing I'm going to be doing is tint on this window where my dog's at. He's freaking out because he doesn't like staying in the car when I'm not in the car. And then I might put a little bit of tint on the windshield. Let's see, what else am I going to do? I'm probably going to add a light bar somewhere. I'm not sure. I might put it in the grill, or I'm going to put it outside the bumper somewhere. It's already got fog lights. I'm probably going to upgrade these bulbs pretty soon to LED. Also, fog lights also probably going to make them LED or HID, but most likely LED. Everybody's going LED nowadays. It must be better. So we're going to be doing LED. Let's see, what else are we going to do to this truck? I'll go ahead and show you guys the bed. It's a little dirty because I've been doing a bunch of home projects and putting a lot of stuff in there. But yeah, there she is. I love this truck already so far. I've had Tacomas. I've had a 2006 Tacoma with the V6 SR pre-runner, with the V6. That was a pretty cool truck. The power was pretty good. I also had a 2014 Tacoma, which was a 4-cylinder 4-wheel drive. That was a decent truck, but man, it was a dog on power. It just sucked. It had no power. So this thing is like the best of everything. I get, you know, a smaller size so I can fit in parking garages and stuff in San Francisco, and then It's got the bigger engine, and it's just great. I really love this truck. Let's go ahead and get a look at the engine. It's got hood dampers, 4.7 V8 Magnum. Runs great. Like I said, I've had this truck for a couple months already. I just haven't put it on the channel yet. But yeah, I've been driving her a lot and she runs great. Super quiet too. That brings me to another topic. I'm going to be doing an exhaust on this car, or truck, I mean. Probably a dual exhaust. I think I kind of want them coming out kind of like where the rear tires are at, kind of angled. I'm not sure, but that's what I'm thinking right now. Like kind of coming out right here, both of them on each side, like at an angle. I'm not really sure yet though. I might change that up, but that's my plan as of right now. But yeah, so we're gonna get lift kit coming soon, exhaust coming soon to bring out that V8 sound, you know what I'm talking about. And then I'm gonna do rims and tires as soon as I get the lift on. So as soon as I put that spacer and block in the back and the diff drop, I'm gonna go straight to the freaking rim shop and see if I can get me some nice rims and tires for this baby. These don't look too bad, but I want the truck to look a lot better. It's gonna be, because right now it sits pretty even. The front's slightly lower than the back, not too bad. But we're gonna raise the front up 3 inches. The back's gonna go up 2 inches. And then with some bigger rims and tires, it's gonna look really good. Alright guys, well, I'm gonna end this video here. Go ahead and leave a comment down below. If you want a more in-depth review of this truck, let me know. I can show you guys the interior and all the cool things about the interior that I like. But for right now, I'm just gonna show you guys the exterior. But yeah, let me know if you guys like the truck. I'll show you the interior. Alright, I'm out.